I was driving down a red dirt track, radio low, sun at my back, with nowhere to go, not looking for love or a spark to fly. Then I saw you, girl, and the world felt right. Boots on the dash and a mason jar smile. You laughed and it echoed for a country mile. I swear my heart skipped when you said my name, like a sweet slow dance in a fast lane. You hit me like a summer storm out of the blue, lightning in my chest when I looked at you, laughing like thunder, kissing like rain, spinning through the mud like a midnight train. Girl, you hit me hard and you hit me fast, left me wondering how long it'd last. We talked all night on the old tailgate, stars up high, and it felt like fate. You said love should feel like a rodeo ride, wild and rough, but worth the high. Now your name's carved in the oak of my soul. Your laugh plays loud on my heart's radio. Every day feels like a brand new song, with you riding shotgun all day long. You were dry and gone, then you rolled in warm. Yeah, you hit me like a summer storm, the scent of sweet wildflowers in your hair. This connection between us so rare and fair. You hit me like a summer storm out of the blue, lightning in my chest when I looked at you, laughing like thunder, kissing like rain, spinning through the mud like a midnight train. Girl, you hit me hard and you hit me fast, left me wondering how long it lasts. So let's chase the sun down these dirt roads wide, with the radio up and you by my side. Every twist and turn I knew we'd find a love like ours was one of a kind. Yeah, you hit me like a summer storm, that's true.